Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me ZTE Axon 25G, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. So there are three aspects of why your smartphone is starting slowing down. First, it's because you have not enough free space on your storage. Second, your applications consuming a lot of RAM, and third, it's because you have a lot of junk files on your device. So let's start with the first item. So open settings, and then in the settings you need to scroll down and find here storage, and as you can see I used only 23 gigabytes of 128. I have no the percentage status of my storage, but you can orientate by this point. So here under the total you will see the 70% full of your memory, or of course you can calculate it using just normal calculator. Here you can see what of your applications or what of your file contains a lot of space, and to remove it. But you need to remember, so never fill up your storage over the 70%. Over the 70%, your smartphone will start slowing down. So 70% slowing down. Less than 70% is okay. Okay, then you can open about phone and find here RAM capacity. As you can see, I have 8 gigabytes of RAM and my smartphone, as you can see. So I will try to find it. RAM, no, I have no. Memory, I have no. So I have no future to extend my RAM. There are devices, ZTE devices, when you can extend your RAM using your normal storage, but I can't do it on this device. So if you have latest version of operation system, you can try to find memory extension feature, and if you have it, so extend it up to 2 or 4 gigabytes. In this way you will extend your RAM abilities. But if you have no, and you have many apps that are working on the background, so or remove it, or you will need to remove all apps from the RAM from time to time. So twice a day I suggest you to do it. Okay, and the last aspect is harmful files. So just find Files application, Google Files. It's pre-installed application on your device. But as you can see, I have no normal Google Files, so I'll try to find it in the Play Store. Wait a while. So find Files by Google on the Play Store. It's normal, light Google Play Store app. Find this app. Continue and allow. Okay. Okay, then click clean, and here choose clean junk files. Click clean, wait a while, and great, I have just cleared junk files from my device. I suggest to do it once a week. So that's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.